Hello CA students, both inter and final students. In less than 10 days, CA exams are there for September 2025 attempt. Many students are constantly asking me, Sir, please tell me how to handle the exam fear. Many students will be getting this type of thoughts. Sir, we are getting dreams like we are failing in CA exams. We are not writing well in CA exams. We are feeling like what if we fail in September 2025 exams? How can we face our parents? How can we face our friends? All these thoughts we are getting, sir. We could not handle the pressure of the exam. What to do, sir? That's why I am here with you. I have some tips to build the confidence. First, whenever you are very much fearful about CA exam, whenever you get that thought, what if I fail in my exam? First, stop your mind, counter your mind. Imagine yourself, you are writing very well in the examination. I know saying it is easy, but whatever you say to your mind will accept it. If you can constantly say, I will fail in the exam, I will fail in the exam, I will fail in the exam, your mind will accept it. No, you should not. You will be getting such kind of thoughts. Your mind produces such type of thoughts. Whatever you tell to your mind, self talk is very important. Tell yourself, CA exam will be tough only. But you have also prepared very well for that tough exam. So tell to your mind, CA exam will be tough, but imagine yourself that whatever the concepts that you have studied, same concepts have come in the exam. Imagine you are writing the exam very well. So counter your mind with positive thoughts. That is very good tip to counter the exam fear at this point of time. Secondly, there is one tip for instant relief from exam fear. What is the tip? Whenever you are feeling so much of stress, so much of pressure, close your right nostril, breathe with your left nostril, breathe in and breathe out with your left nostril. Do like that for 5 to 9 times. Take deep breath in from left nostril and breathe out also from left nostril. When you do like that for 5 to 9 times, that gives you instant stress relief. Remember, even toppers also go through the same. They also will have fear. They also will get fearful thoughts. But you should, whatever the fear is there, that should not stop your preparation. Fear will be there, but you should continue your revision. Next, Pareto analysis. In every subject, at least 60% of the marks will are expected from which chapters the questions come. So I think you would have done revision of all those chapters. Now once again do revision of all those chapters. At this point of time, stop studying new topics. Whatever the topics that you have already studied, okay, revise those topics only. You need not cover 100% syllabus to qualify CA examination. You have covered 75% of syllabus, sufficient. If that 75% of syllabus, if any question comes from that 75%, if you are able to write well, you will pass in the examination. So don't focus on 100% coverage of syllabus. That is not possible at all. Whatever you have studied, revise it as much as you can. If any question comes from already revised concept, you should not commit mistake. In that way you should revise. Next, mock test papers, RTPs, for September 2025 attempt. For all subjects, please do mock test papers and RTPs, because from that some questions might come in the examination or similar models might come in the examination. So without going through mock test papers and RTPs, don't go to examination. Next, prepare plan for next 6 days. Let's say you are writing only group 1. 2 days for each paper. Paper 1 2 days, paper 2 2 days, paper 3 2 days, total 6 days. Now first day, first half, divide entire day into 13 or 14 hours. 7 hours in first half, 7 hours in second half, like that. In first half, whatever 7 hours are there, read paper 1, for example accounting. In second half, don't do accounting. In second half, do auditing, like that. Are you able to understand? Don't do single paper for the entire day. Your efficiency will come down. Half day, do one paper. Second half, do another paper. In that way, you plan it. Next, don't think of entire syllabus. If you think of entire syllabus, your fear will increase. So instead of thinking about entire syllabus, whatever the syllabus that you wanted to cover in 7 hours, okay, focus on that syllabus only. Focus on revising that entire syllabus in 7 hours. Break into small parts and revise it quickly. If you think about entire syllabus, you will face fear. Next, exams are nearing. Take proper food. At this point of time, avoid masala food. Avoid eating oily food. Avoid eating too much of sweets. Okay. So eat only house food or hostel food. Don't try to eat as much as idli, curd rice, those foods which keeps your gut healthy. Okay. Don't eat any oily food. Drink as much as water you can. Keep yourself hydrated. Sleep is also very much important. Minimum 5 to 6 hours sleep must. As exams are nearing, you might be doing night outs. Please don't do night outs. They will not help you at all. Minimum 5 hours, at least 5.5 to 6 hours sleep is mandatory. Plan your revision like that. Remember, your fear will not write the examination. You have to write the examination. So fear will always be there. Keep fear aside and start focusing on small revision. Okay, and try to finish the revision. Okay, so CA examination, you need not remember my words. You need not cover 100% of syllabus to qualify. Even if you cover 70 to 75% of syllabus sufficient, you will qualify in the examination. How you write the examination, that will not determine whether you will succeed or whether you will fail. Your mindset before examination, that determines whether you succeed, whether you will succeed or you will fail. So whatever the syllabus that you have studied, that is sufficient. Believe in yourself. Okay, revise it as many times as possible. Even though your preparation is for 60 to 70% of syllabus sufficient, you can clear in the examination. Go to exam in a bold way. Okay, so thank you very much.